Adom 106.3, 39 minutes after 6. Samuel Kwaba Bium Adoba Ghana Jatuma Kasafidi. So I don't pay at the say. My name sir Wohoye. Sabibinti Ahwadin Niha Bomodena Maninko Trimnati Asiase Ebepa. Baby amro yena bano enchire se obeye mre wo ho saa de akwawie se mfraframusia akenkanfo ne hunu baby a ntumwa efiriba me kan biom se mfrafram yesi wo maba bebre aba bebre wo mo frafram bebre penefo mfrafram ba bebre ya enyansafo ne hunu baby ntumwa fiba na wo ye nyansani enti wonim baby ntumwa ne fiba enti ama bibi mbuwa pam Enjaima obi adeyo ne obi kasa enje wanijie ene wo kan kwa opesa wo kono emfiri wonsam biribi betimi asi na waka se wahame biribi betimi aba aden asembi betimi aton Mwajwe se, we di amarie yaba. Nanso tie. Enye de ya hihye nyina na yema. Enye ade a ya hihye nyina wo wiase mu nyina, wo bokitim eso obi, wo apampam eso obi na yema. Enti de si ya ma wabam ebuo. De ba ya ama wadwen atoto de wote ya ama waboto na wamoa no ema remfi se enye mai ya de berebi besoso mana ye ma mpani se wo femfam bebre ya ewai enti jai se o de bia wo de age ukotie afutuo bi fi obi ho de bia di obi ka bibi kira fa wadwen bobra edum pempen so a esese wunya asudie na wunya botai na woye botai no ho adwuma get focused mem mo bia mfa hwimbu abam mem mo bia mfa hwinse wadwen ade na esi wani so na apesa wo ye no just get focused simple if it says also be train ni pama na tufo a obama wafutu ebe kakra no benu ho if it say krobe asante kotoko tumfo say to ababi o ka sembi o say afutu bebrebe no aya na efuntum efrise nya nipa o tufo yina na pe wasem obi tufo pa ba do hye tufo bi a wa nya careful as afutu no obedi so bewie no wase o hyeda timo wadwen emra wa wo so after all Bible no say love your neighbor as yourself they said we see door ho no di kan door ho na we are baby audio do ni bi be kono na wetime de ko Adom 106.3 Dwaso Nsem ni Shannon Somayen say obekoso hohoro wonsa be show mask baby anipa bibire te no ontena ho wundidi bom monde dade dambom Shannon Subium so say wo yare a tena fi na tiapo wo hwe na ade na yese symptoms bi ya na show wo hono bi ya ba fra dokotafo wo she maska na wafra wonom na bo ho ban koso ye efise wo betimi aye na yi na yetimi etu yade ya sese yesi yedru 6000 mo yare no numbers no edru 6000 nti Ode abo ho ban the actress na o na man dem dey say
number na nya nwanwa mo nwanwa na me nwanwa say mo
da bi me nya me wo
ye said the system na tie no e said ye nchia ye dwom ne ebusuabo etie no ba kunra ha no so kai a me ka cho say nipa ba ko e di frabriche be raga na ha wogina ho ema nipa be se 2030 ta nipa 2030 ne ba ko bi agina ma nipa 2030 nti da ba ko pe be wura o ma we mu no eni ehun se ba bi ekeka kɔ no tenhwe be 10,000
nti ja the actual na dia no so why Carex in collaboration with Ghana Medical Association. Carex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Hollard Life Assurance, we've got you covered. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a lifeful experience. A life soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Deloitte yogurt, more. I need more. One of the boa na itimide a COVID-19 hun chechre edebremo. But chana so sound pubenya Nescafe ebe boa empa. Bobobi. Bobobi pa bobobi heavy. Fan sushene guso. The guso sana oh. When ni badge papa chana so sani na shase with Nescafe. Emra so say na personal brewo. Shannon Sumami say Society General, the future is you. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayar Safie. Latest form your partner for life. And Irata Motors for the best car batteries and oil by Speedmate batteries and oil for Errata Motors. Aquamachi?
Yeah, nana.
Bibi aboko dia.
Yeho adom obi store anim sa na wachero ho. Yeho adom nti dromo son adom no nti yeti ase. Sa ho ye.
Me ho ye pa.
De ho ase moje di efrisane di sa na ye beka hwe yie na aka. Ese be na nose mask na ye hye no. Onse omoye a efa baabi mehama mefa wenye mfanto ho. Onse omotwa amaha na kosoro na ahana is straight. Also obi sha na the straight na ba ne hwene ano. Na de hana kwhye na bodwe ase.
No dabi.
Nti wonse okasa na esane. Pepa cho ya na de baby ehowa no akova ohwene no so eho na ebekọ wo ha no. De ya pam wo Ghana ha no. Na ma o ma eho num na wura ohwene so nti ya na atimi asom. Sa wo de ase na ye flat no. E de to ohwene no so se ya bonse wo kasa na esane we na enso abodwe e wo se ebeso wo hwene no. Ene ebebo na de ya pam wo ha no. Wunya be mienu anasa miensa e de kokromu a ebeboa wo. Onse wo de sha wo hwene a ubedidi ubeye bibi kakra bi na wase akofa hye na wo da na e call bag im na esa aba ni nyina amoa enti nka benya mienu miensa bi na wo rubber bi ana se container bi a de wa yusu ache kakra no wo yi na wo de ahyem da amfra ne me wo bag im enti wo san yi fofra na eno aye fresh na wo de abo se de be ya nkakra ne betimi aboye ho banye se de wo bo na no pa na se bi obi titi nteso egum mu so watiti bi egum no wo be bo akosi anwumre e ba sa emwa ko fie nso no wasi no wa hata ma na wo se de be ya ade echi a wo betimi atoso na wa yusu afei ye nhwe de won krata na aba ne mu daily graphic ene de hai ena wo se aban be bo nnwuma nyina ho ban se de be ya enwuo wei eye man pen na adodankwa akufo adudu dedu ado ka woyo ado gringo wono na da ha no mo a wo hye Ghana enwuma nyina abo ese wapa dwumadie bi ho ntema ya asa dwumadie na wapa ho ntema no wode ebe stai enwuma hodo e wo ma Ghana ha bibi nti covid-19 nti enwuma na kofom no wode sa sika ne beta wo mo chi se de be ya ebeboa na edin a wode atoso no eye wose coronavirus alleviation program cap ya wode ba beboa abo enwuma ya chi no wose sika no wobeyi sika krabia hodo bi no wache e de ama won woche e de ma won ye honom e na wobekọ na efiri enne eye made atoso aduonu kwata June de atoso aduonu ebedruno na do application no ko so de be ya ubetimi enye bi
from 20th May to 20th June
yes.
to kwata June
de
okay.
De biengu ni enyuma na si Mr. Clementos are so the June 20th the na do application no e bank na e de betu dwa no na watimi akwakoje emwa ne bi na the Democrat
enti say ende ya wo ho a say utimi do application e shase fi say kwata June 20th na e was say o de ko June no nye June keke 20th June 20th now the application no eko say the be ya ebetimi aboy loans committee one year ebetimi enye be beneficiaries no enti na se wonya Democrat daily graphic a obehunu e na afa ko adomonline.com so a banks na obetimi akọ edo application letter na kọ no ene ensam no de won poten de wo se wonya e de application no kwa be fa so atwero ukrata ni nyina so ma me na fe enkoma na ye bo na kire anopei no ye ne openi Enoch Jetua on a executive director of Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Mr. Jetua, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Now bibia e bokọ de
Captain sorry no pay Nyankopon adom ye nyina ye ho ye na mo nso mo ho te sen.
Obo ade da roma ye ho ye pa. Ya say share you.
No cre second part 2.
We are part 2. Eja sukui ye mieye ye mampani aka say still it remain ban say be ko school yentimi be up to 31st of this month yenim the obeba be country yen after but ye nyane say mo pusu ahoma say school ni yembie den tina mo ka say yembie school na yemba yin ko school
yo mini our captain ma menchi a woni watie fo ni wa pagya fo amowo studios e na no pe nyina say Ghana National Council of Private Schools yen position a ye kanyina ne say senia o mampani edi kan aka ne say COVID-19 emunso so ene emunso anu nyina no o de science and data na eye ho adwuma yen ye fi ne say sabre no science and data no emekasa emaye hu because ebe na otwimi nu ni ana apomodie share ye any Ghana Health Service for the two just say COVID-19 ye drew ni pika be descend above from emomo numbers ni be shoot ndi ampara enu akra numbers ni ba be kan ho as say ye nenam 5,000 edeko na no nzo enkyere say ye ndwumadi a ye die say ye dada system ndwumadi a ye die te ngomesua no ento api isan say WHO amiati ase say COVID-19 about the year a disease it is coming to stay with us senya yina yenim senya a 3D yare any colonial yare ba ya any ababet na ababe pim ena yasima so so anu ama ye dada disua na se dada dwumadi akoso no saa na etie nemo no yen yes say abanu mpan hihye yemra na yentimi moama schools enkoso baby a yedre yehiama adwemu bonika say critical thinking na ye dia solve sa complex issue ade ba ko a ye wo how kese pa wo private schools any schools ahoro nyina mu eye congestion because we share your facilities e wo man Ghana mu a emofra o mu ko school no do so sene facilities no enti za wo be ko teacher ni ba ko classroom no UNESCO my any ho ni say ye wo 35:1 teacher but then wo be ko classroom ba kono captain na wa nya kra no benya ebia 100 150 any 80 ni titiri pa public schools nti ehun say congestion is very severe the congestion ya anya hu bibia de ne ko ba ne say yesi mofra no nko school no saa de a e de wo hawo be ye de ebeba na ye nyina ye nim say eduru ba bi say yesi ko bi sa abrewa na abrewa a kire ye nkwan a ye mfa so ye bi sa abrewa na captain abrewa kire ye say ye mfa shift system a kane tete no na ye di ko school no nye de emra efi anopa anopa ebi anonkron kopim duminu na ye omudi kan no omawi na de toso minu no so efi don ko kopim no miensa na omo so omawi ekoba ne sa ebetimi ate numbers ne so ama numbers omo ko school mo wo ebra no a ebetimi akọ create hotspot ni ade no ebe ma eso ayeden ate ana ye normal educational system na obi ba ne say ne ba ne say affect your academic periods no a normal education system na ye wo 8 hours and answer 7 to 8 hours enu mo no ye wo 1 hour free period enu no ye break ye observe it is a we break no free 7 periods maybe classes do divide it by 3 na 2 na no anya 3 periods and answer 3 hours per sector na yes so yes so be mu say and say online tuition aban ye to na sekra as I say a blending na eno no so babeka ade a ye no e ba de sa face to face teaching no any online no ba be kamboma e mo fra no content bi e so mo cover bia no term no be kwa wie no no matimi akova ayeden awie yeside ye ni hwe ye senior high schools no ihu ne say ye senior high schools no eni titiro aban de no obekọ no omodi omanyini a wo ka kire say obi omon keep distances ni ade a ebetimi akọ as compared to obi owo nursery anaso obi owo kg into omono distances no de betimi maintain but omon na ye mu de say anhwe ni ye na no so ya ntoto eho akwan a emwa ana no no ntimi kan say obi nkoda simase no so re obi nso nkonkoda but yesi utumra na ye kire esie na say ya Ghana Education Service any Zoom Lion Ghana for your adwen say omo be from Gate schools no ye nyina ye gidi say omo the private senior high schools no ye den e kan enti isusu say at this point say akonyasie bi to me ba na ekoba ne say private schools na omadan gugu ho a yemfanye hwi sesi a say free senior high schools ba na facilities no omanyentimi enyu so as say sisi ho no we can use it everything my government school for nkwa no bia ye den akoho na ba bia ayo overcrowding no eso akwa den akwa PPEs any home personal protection adema akeka kin you can say smart ofi na mo ka say government establish 6 million bi that 6 million aden yen ko jibi nyemfa bi mpempam sa local nose mask ni ade nso create adwuma ema afoforo entumi nye when we are able to do this then gradually we are solving the disease ebema stigmatization na they say obinya ya reni bi obi ntimi mpeze obekọ ne nchen one ne bekasa akra ni nyina no eso be yeden eso beti and the best way to train these children say ebenye omo school ni ebetiti omo wo kwan faso
but yen shall say this nose mask thing I na bibia say na me pese ye hwe bird na ye de be ma aban because the pressure say ye be school one one a front line na kura no say no PPEs na ya na osu ho school fon kwada wo omem hai wo doso yi ti say ka say aban kopam nose mask ma wo no ma ye nose mask kura no ya ka chen say wa sha chaya na wotwe esa wo dispose when e poto mo school no mo beto ama nkwada yi ana awofo nento ana yefa ni na nkogu aban so
yentimi mfa ni nyina nkogu aban so edini na egu aban so a enye yi emo na aban ne wo ne chefa ene ne ye kan say na so dia esese wo no so oye oba private schools ni say ya ye ni me say free me something na private schools no ye ne ye awofo nkita hodie akoye ama ba se sikatua bi na aban kwafo no mu ntua bi a private schools no etimi ne awofo no sinkonya ne ye de timi de ye de to ba bi esese ye de eden ye de to inti private schools ni de PTS ahoro any meetings ahoro ebe koso ama parents no asudi e wo so omoye no omobeye schools no so asudi e so ono so ye no ono so ebeye because ekoba ne say school no ebe so parents no asne ama sa de na ye kan etimi aba etimi ye because we are not in a normal time enya de say ye betima atena wa say yare no ye ko school mu a and ye benya because oman ni nyina Ghana mine da ho no nyina no say baby a wugina bia na ye hu captain madwuma mu am wo ho ye hu me say madwuma mu am wo ye hu because untimi hu say unni eteta krani abetime hu say we will be we ni bi emofre ya ye kan say fie ya ye kan emofre ube hu so mu nyina ne na mabonten eye so risky enti say ya obi betima contract ya re ni bi ni die eye enya de say so obi anko school ana so obi ko school ma na eye the breeding grounds a ebetimi amane nsa ye den aka ne mmomo no esese ye de akade egugu na akwan so say de na wo bi say government responsibility anything e was hard ni parent responsibility anything school raf one so your responsibility anything mo so media foi mo so responsibility anything me gidi ye say ye share that responsibility nyina ya adwen say baby aban ya ba bedro no we have gotten to the point that we want to change our mindsets to solve the problem ye betimi akoye nim dan say be can say oh problem na ba ye ni ho aka de nti yentina wa nkopem say bi ebenya vaccine
okay mesa ba ho me won sem bi sabe ye nan enum bi ma but ma openi Alexander Yaudanso on the president by National PTA Council akwaba eja dan so temi nka ma che
ya jamani ya captain now what is it
anya me adom un kana mete ya cha won
na sa wo hwehwe me captain wo hwehwe me
won fra me eja dan won fra me
na okay they say ko je fo jo kwa de wa se me ya oni me be chuma so tina jai e bi announce man so person o sha tie bi
one pa asa gra ade
fachabi
school no yem bi anasem yemie
bani emre wo mu nyemra me da mi chia tie fo no pe emre wo mu se nyemra ya de bi school sem ya captain eni ma bi wo wa ya na ye se transfer ye hwe nyema ye di kan enkwalai aduro ye se ayare ne ye se nya no aduro ana me boa edije ze ye kan sa na che se won nye bi on down na ye nyame na eboa won because ye se nya aduro nto ye bebu sa se ye de no nso te atiapo ese se nyame se wo hwe municipal assemblies ni bibria on se offense health protocols na awo adwadifo ni ade ni so ndo to stores mu ye de na nkwala no a nkwala nketwa ye ko bie school ama won akoy akọ school mu anye bia no social offense health protocols ye betimi observe ni nyina papa say ye be hohoro yensa say ye be sanitize yensa say ye be distance on classrooms no de oka so be distance ya betimi to a certain extent entimi cause because infrastructure na enye enough and the was a class of 60 na so wo titimu ye mfa ne be 30 na 20 grand openi asem eno dan chen kra no a so what me akra okay classrooms what distance on dormitories nso ai anye bia sabita frache ade achi anajo no won beda sabi opani manimu no mindful na yakobo canopy e wo park so no ada no so wan sesa won niam ade aba classrooms ai dormitories no so ai congested I want to see ade ai hu enti ade ni yentu ye boase na ni nyina na se ni no pani ka yentu oto agni hu kwanye e befa so because ade bia ba fofra eya na nipa di subiri no ekona ni ma ekona se first no won anya yare no mbo wa kuku se wa bo ema eba no eho nim de ni ade nso ne be so ye be ade ni entu ye boys akola keto a ayi yemfa 2 years 3 years 4 years ukoshe nose mask ye nose mask ya ye pimpam yin sabita frache men ka se nye wo eye but material no ade ye no ye de chemical bi na ahye enti akwala no ehia ne hwen de do ni nyina no ne ade nyina wohia economy eno health enkoyi enti ade ne yɛntwɛn na yɛnto yɛ boase after all ayi June July ko nyina yɛ holidays mo ne yɛmfa saa mmerɛ no ɛnhwɛ ntoto ne yɛntoto adwe ne yɛhu sɛ ne yɛbɛsifa obani sese brede da bia no enema ekoso yare ekoso ne ehun ni se me obi a wonim captain obi a wonim uhie nipa bia na wa wadwen se nipa uhie no obi ebi se ono akro obi kura no hye no onim se ebi kura obi ye da achi ni nkwala no ye future president ye da achi o kira bi ye ni ho a won na ebe ye ada ne ye piepia won ye pie hwe France for start BA school Friday asat na nkwala 70 anya nti won so on san close down schools on ya mechire enti so obi foforo man bi so de ekobie na ene obi de ye fie ye no captain ese obi nso fie
no but we share France for omo bie omo schools ya hwe omo rate no ena omo figures no ekoso se hum
sa so ena me ka no
ekoso se hum
ai enti no sa na beba because we ayi ye was 721 Ghana schools schools in Ghana because ani bi ka ho Yemfan say population be 1,500. And of course, it be a 4,000, be a 3,005, be a 2,005. Yemfan for the sake of argument, no 1,005. Of me, send a basic for distancing. And Kolanso Hometepa. And Kolan, me for basic school grandma home. Emma me do junior high school near the Yemfa senior high school. Opening distancing will be very difficult. So no never boying, am I a real intermatitia, and no one coboy school or Bran Kolana because school. What you say? If you say, yeah, dining at the end, it's shot. And also, and no guarantee any double track, you crown. It means solve a problem. I solve a problem to a certain extent. But in timing we pay, meaning MVA say, I yet could you talk. What you say? And Yaria woman, any tears at the Bia Echo, the Bia Neco, the Bia Neco, 19 Kolai Cockabum, Obicro, how 50. Yemfa Yemi and Munkola, Nayanam and Pese, Yavasa Crassi, Yemfa is a Krunketwa. Ni school ni kromo school ni ho enti won ba be yem kwala be yedu enso nwotwe no on na bi okra won fa nsuo so won krokro won sa no won twa nsuo da sa kwala ikonya bi na o maame ko du fi abetimi aka se won so obam be so no mo o so no mo so ikoka obi foforo ana se maame ni immune system so nya dia din a ono so be hu anaka no no de ewu wan na ehwa kwala do mo yentu ya bo ase enya si etutu mrika no yes din e kom de yen ni ade but yen se si edi komochi Emma ye pia nkwala no koto amane mu enne enyuma bebre ho a on tifie na ye adwuma e ko office on tifie na ye adwuma e ko office na ye nkra ye mpanimfo no a ye hu ni sa ere na ye pia nkwala ko hyem ye ni oman mu na ayi early 80s ye to universities no ni ade na ayi offense mid your friends say 90s yan san to schools mu universities na teacher for ni aban na twumanso only no one draw timetable am one to one this year so am one we be we man ne ebinum nyina ye mpanim for papa enti den na chire so say ye be twen na ya to ye bo ase ni ayo na se ni ma kofom ni hu se ni ma kofom ni bi school a one ye timetable foforo ni asan ahase ni ade enkwa anya de a obetimi e top mu obetimi asan so bi enti mo me yenhwe ni na ye nwen hu ye na ye ma ye ntuma mpamirika e ma enkofa nsem bebre ma odne me de me feel say Ghana ha owo na nsimu kasinti no na nyame ya Adom hu nti ne ka na senka ya ade asane amanfo bi ewu 500 400 ne 300 ko bi e so kra say ye mi school man kwala nko trans school there.
All right then mama nko Mr. Jetwa Jetwa
Captain
what am kai
me tun kai pra captain
so wo hwe ye school system aye wo mem ha sese ya schools ne bi wo ho a toilet facility kra ne bi ne ho wonu mo san ye mo nkwa na se wo mo do mo nkafe
Captain ye kan de se he o how ahoro e wo private wo schools ahoro ma e bi na me di kan se ye ni sa o how na tna ba be pem enne se toilet facilities the breedy pa kolala na se yimtu yare a ye nyina yenim enzo so ye mofrey o ma ku school aba be pem ne ye nka ho asem bia enti enye COVID-19 aba ne aka ne say bia ye schools no any facilities.
But may assure say you agree with me that the dynamics are not the same.
I understand it. But because the same your
areas be wa cholera enter nsheda unity coastal areas na ya na ewo pa yare we susu no fluid a ewo nipa ho na etimi ma wunya enti say enkwada be ko school na woni toilet facility bebe on be dwonsokra ni ho ni ade a ewo samre ya ye wo mimu ya wo de to cholera no ho asenko
asema ye kanon nyina ne say aban timi nkase bia wa bie school abra nsiseye bi nye den eni ho eni say covid-19 yi ba ye ya ye host to affected people then your hospitals be with media admissions but there was specific hospitals are almost ye twimoja no kra de ko and as ye did the affected people the quarantine omodo omo ye den echo we na your regulations are e wo ho it is say aban no e regulations eba. So these are the indicators. We na yehwe. Sisenia enra ne yebobo so a free World Health Organization. Ntema no mo yeden, omo keken. Enti as indicators neba, na schools are omo within the criteria and omo qualify no. They can open schools. Schools are omo ni no. Then they make sure that anima no mo nsa yeden. Aka. Inti go ban say ya can say be school say your be school without any measure. And if me can say as I say the science and the data unit no and feedback as to compare to say environment ni save na say environment ni safe. Environment ni save when na ye hwehwe I say be making sure say you betimi aye. Because that pandemic ya can ho asem yenya ho vaccine no so kyerɛfɛ ade no eni ya na eba betena akɔ mfie bebre nti sɛ ade no ne ya ba betena na de bia bedu mfie 9 mfie miensa mfie mienu na yenya ho vaccine captain asem bisa ne sɛ mo fa na da so tena fie saa na yen kyerɛ wɔn ade we shouldn't forget to say some of friends so aye kan mo ho asem omo compete with the global world nti ade is say ne abofra wo mfie miensa wo sua no. But if
you look at the global world, I would a challenge say schools are a warrior and after a year big agenda I tried to search around the globe. Almost 98% of schools around the world remain closed.
That's right.
And this is a fact. The whole of Europe, France, and Belarus, and Oko school. The whole of America, no school is opened. Over Australia, by continent, school be any that side. New Zealand, Australia, all of them, their schools remain closed. Over Asia, China is considering. So some selected universities obey. Over Africa, all our schools remain closed. So in terms of education globally, there's no competition now.
And on the nature will say, Captain, any achievement now say, Yana Ntempi, no Sabri, I can say, yeah, school or might be a BOB, and all the criteria are bad and give up a picky. Nice ye copy near Babisian. And then I tell you, am I young and quiet him, young winning kind intimate of war, how be. O man penny can be said. And ye be a wacky will be crewman, and as I say, a wacky way. Because now say, a copa say, ye total lockdown. Now a month for be brave anticipate, say, yen close to gun and you know down. But o man penny say, and yen ya worky wa a month for crewman, yet I bit my worky wa. Sounds on the intimate work ones and work will be crew. It is heartbreaking, and we should look at our situation. We as Ghanaians can also come out with models among for people basically at the then the Ghanaians want to say we are advanced.
It's a model number one. Here.
Model number one, and then they say yenya shift system. Yema education system, no. Yen cutting down, na yenya morning and afternoon.
It's yen should say senior high schools no on practice shift system dadao.
Senior high school, no some can once no can dormitory once and because I mean the numbers are a work senior high school 710. What they say saying e blog be probably the count one 1,000. But the rate may range so say you were abandoned 400 schools. I estimate taking the capacity of AB at 1,000, 5,000. I know the use I see her at this time.
It's infant Sam about where brig girls, sir. You abandon school be or Cape Coast, and you fear brig girls and find Cape Coast now.
And maybe sir, but a brig girls who all have private schools no set up now. Maybe government schools no be one. Private schools no see why. And
yen Quadana or a brig girls then call private schools and Apache. How is this possible? Me buying a suku free. What's me find call private school? I'm go to ya.
Captain, in case of any call school no call Kotia.
It's a private school for bedroom for free.
One bedroom for free. A government responsibility. My minister was the captain. Somebody I no free. I'm an urban. Buying quarantine woman. Captain, you will state hotel be near Domokodana. Any state hotel be a Domokoda. I contacted private sector hotels no and the host to woman. And at this time, no, the numbers now you overflow, public. Now you say by distancing, sir. Again, I buy no for among private schools one. No monko use facilities on. No monko abandoning to facility usage anything. And farmers are owner.
Maybe about I never go assess a Shannon, so they say. School now a year free, no. A son are buying a dining DNT. A dining factor the free already. And his parents be anywhere or co school near catch and say ye sit dying. It's one be CB or Banomba school and your share. Say, okay, say, and Quadana war secondary schools, a war are buying schools, you know. Would change the structure of their teaching because Obia was said the only teacher be related. Me wa Pam secondary school, na me chemistry master, Seriam, Ofi University of Cape Coast to buy. On a ma me condor chemistry. Ebia me free sa Pam secondary school ho. Na me baba XYK private school no. Chemistry master na owo ho no. Said you see related to me no emwame. One ebema akwadana disua kofom. Environment no enya proper. Private school patcho me ba ma me wie no watimi yi ano ama me wadaro ma. Private schools say what boarding facilities wo krom ha esua. Enti say emfa nsa me ba no watamale. Na say de ne bank kran. Na ya de ne ba private school. Na say boarding facility ni ho a. Parents no onye den.
Captain, me that say. They now work teacher relations ne sanema it is happy no because obia taking in inspiration every teacher ni bi ho a one no esua de but yen to mu say ngoma sua mu no na wo ko anim no nyo cheche ni ba akopɛ ne betima kyerɛ wade a mo akwa akɔwie sɛ o cheche ni ba akopɔ ne be kyerɛ made wo kɔ no nyina no na foforo oba ni omo ye ni omo nye ni nyina no na wo learn ye fit be learning curves. Now we're learning a free. And we are not saying, say, Obin free Boliga, no young Fanimra and Cran Hanum. Because Boliga Honomono, schools may be a day, ever. And I will share and yet government schools need now at this time on a yet highly populated. There were some specific schools. Because of it in nature, are creative for themselves, a yet highly populated. Who court is a free e-blocks via Yakikan Kaina. Ebia no highly populated because of point or more coffee. Ubia naho. But here what the traditional schools no at now that said they now working. And no one and non as school because of the innate creative for themselves no. And then the highly populated and the BBA be no. And so the schools now numbers ben exceeding number ben
But when him say globally, you need uniformity of facilities of education across the world in Ghana. Facilities are a war school be more a different from another school facilities. And Quadana Mudi a and a yen won't free him near for one coin.
Oh, Captain, a bus, track A, track B, first track, second track. It's categories never.
But at the same school.
At the same school. But what we are trying to say is say, enipa ne kɔ na ne teacher ni akɔ kyerɛ na de. Ɛne the samre a obɛkɔ hɔ akɔ kyerɛ na de ne samre a wɔtifie a ɔnyɛ hwee no. There's more improvement than that. Than saying can be tenefia kɔpem sɛ bi 2 years, 3 years. Na yenya ano aduru abra facility esi hɔ. Na facility ni ntimi yɛmfa nyɛ hwee. Na ba akwa yɛ congested ntimi yɛsi ntimi hu ne sɛ yɛbɛyi bi di akwa ha ama mo yɛ do mo kwa ha no. The same tutors ne be kwa akɔkyerɛ ɔmade and answer the same qualified tutors ne be kwa akɔkyerɛ ɔmade ya making sure say ɛhɔ nso ebe improve no
school ni yambia den na besi
oh captain ya me school a bibia ni hɔ a sɛnea yɛ ka no animanim yɛ hu no the impact a ebenya wɔ yɛn so because yɛn nyina yɛn hu sɛ COVID-19 ba yi enema bi sɛ sikasɛm ne nneɛma nyinaa akɔfom but in future no yɛbɛhu ne sɛ yɛ mmafra no ɔmatokyema ɛwɔ nneɛma bi mu ɛno nti na yesu so sɛ ɛbrɛ yɛ a yɛduro no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛgye to mu sɛ we are not in our normal times nti normal mi a yɛyɛ ne normal ne nyinaa no ɛsesa
nti sukuu na yɛbie ne normal no yɛmbie yɛmbie because we are not in normal times
sukuu na yɛbie ne normal no yɛmbie Dwaso captain.
Yebie pe ha beba.
Captain yen ya dwen na etre yen sa.
I will say COVID-19 year by nkrofo yare year by. Yes, science based information ye de year juma.
Sabe pepe.
Before France be a school no more than number 11.
Mhm.
Wo mo be a school peno Woman number next shoot could do 180,809. Mama Pima could do number 7. What check Belarus? Time now one president, you know, Neniabre, now so when you mubiano. A TC woman schools no more Belarus, no. And a mama numbers the shoot here. And to certain universities and certain high schools are Belarus, you are closing it down. It tells you, say. And yes, sir, Obina person will be catchy. As you said, quoting our president, we are not in normal times. Who could be a school this year? That will be trouble. Because Yamon penny for you could a brapedy. Yansa who cry a refi. Yamon penny for you cry. Nose mask, Yashawani a year to baby. Ube shepherd, be pan and nose mask, said yes, I fear Dobby, pana young woman.
Captain, when you say, how I dampening for so, and more refinia ma or more yeno. As for soon as how I dam of frasso. I'm a training of frasso on your idea. The child pays more precautions than in penny for him. Captain,
in him Saba, we are checking into Woodim so say. And near my conquer that Tim Mudi Agroya won't hoof so, and also change the 1 penny for him.
And non tina,
and I yes,
sanity and nothing I say yen school activity no line we will take out activities a man can dia go be brain free on the mechano me catch say your normal time no 7 hours 7 hours no you the 1 hour and you break times as that break time no and my friend dia grow they mingle and they create that. So you need a particular break periods na free. Now you are na 3 hours. No marco school. Then the next 3 hours. Then the second batch come. No more fear. Captain. Na kan say dia bia to no moko diagra. Ebe to aso.
Ade ba ko esese wo hye ne so ne say. Cars I the first school nkwada yi. Hwe said ya na schools no efa nkwada no. So all the social distancing echo bema private schools no be running aboka susuro e de how beba beto won so se bus no fa 25 say entimi fa 25 ese say chim eti bus no be kwa ba consider diesel as our school no beto mpacho me bo enye schools ni na so no ya taa ho schools ni bebre compound no eyem futuro. Entino be meto concern nase. Mayambo mo ne yene aban kana private schools no aban mehwe mo. Dan se mo be ka chen se yembie school. Yama by measure. Yeah, more concern a genuine. I buy measure private schools because one, I tell you for what private schools now come on the one. Then try one car, Metiasia, because you be a school now, you better be to school fees no. It's Sikana anyone, Yanni are binding cana binding Tiasia, no measure mo, but Sukuni, the Aminyas was a binding baby.
Captain, if he's a what's the concern and opposition on that? Now, said the Yedi Kayakano. You say, when you know a court down one bobo, you know, ye bobo, nebitimi ama judge, and so after the because judge will be home with court down hopa. And ye position, I can you know, and say, one, Yedi Kayan, answer now, binding to sa and a mono. Teni yenyina yenim se abana dia tumo se na waka me ate se bibi anamobi obeto bia no is backed by science and data. It is our expert for no your analysis. No more ni say it is safe to operate or schools should be resumed. Yen yeni wo how bia. Say science for no your analysis no more ni say other way round. Nemo mono yen twice and Kenya and also yeni wo how bia because it will come from the president. And no one is let's say above so betimi go or flouting against the directives of the president. And yeni wo how bia wo. Nemo mono these are some of the suggestions that we are putting across. This are suggestions way at this point, you know. Yetimi fanya the year Juma, a betimi aboa and minimize the number of days I'm of another you know. Dan say Yabaka say bia yem pek yem fa any measures bia anya den engwa.
All right, I'm going to dance so na yem ready. Over dance so can be enko.
Captain. Mini ana kasa bebre. Na seni ana kana yeni no matter. If I many o ya dream pa say yebeni aba kasa sa ba be kwa kobo since ye be school na ni kira. See be school captain. Say kwa no say a school sin bebre isolation centers. Right. Say could be a school. Now, Obiano no be catch them say information minister some by a periodic test. Near for a test. Now you na test and the results and by next collaborate 500. And funny isolate 201 to Akugu. For 200 this year. Now also being a so no. No, ye do one call for treatment here. Stigmatization no crowns we Obiano obe pese ni mi bia why you know the jaja we dey COVID-19 we dey near on be medi for kwa na fi no kura be ba kola na dis ada ni yen twen ama ni ma fom kakra na nsan ye so se de eniema ba fom nsan ye se be me de pass na wo ka se ewi afia fa na nyina no obi atoto ni school mo hu se obani ye da chini asem no ja pade pa no na akotena se akopia kola ama akotena school dem enkwala yi ho ahometi ni abeka so onye no onye se ne no ka se panini agoda kolazo akolazo ni da no so nya bi na da panin so eniema obaye no panin no kwa wontimi nye oti ase enti no opani ye de emre wo mu sese no enye mra ye de bie school yantwen ne niema mrafo na fe niema bafo mo ni ye hu se ade no bafo na kola no kono enye ye no ka bibi se yare ne ye betra fa ye bompa ye se ne ye metra obi eni wo pa yare se yare ne metra so entini entu ase kojokojo kura na ebe kofo mama we etini aye ne sese etimi ye me mo sese ya pa ye nkwala idie opani mesre
eja dance ma menda mo ase menda wase na menda Mr. Dwaso ase
enso me da ase pa ya frame
pacho yo me asese ye bie suku ame ba me ma ne nko koda mfie mi ensanya afi no koje hwe bia ho
Nana, menya nka me PTA na nka mo afra me so ekyerem de video aka ho.
Ye bie kura me ma ne nko.
Sa mo be bia yate. Omo ma ye caveat. Parent a won pesa wo do ba be ko no. Na akọ fill form na wo ba tene. Time a emuye no na ya ma kala na ko. O me pass me ja me ba kwan na emre se wo nko studio.
Ye bia me ma me ba nko.
Ye the policies ne directives we say ba. Ya na ye ma ye reason na intent na nkasa who is pushing who. Obi pushi obi ana say yemie bia niam no ntum na bibi nsi ana say ya bato ne dinkyere ne voters register ne hwan a enti na nkrofo bi hye pushi a omunya
obi send a message me from Kato say captain concerning the school issues where I am working, that's Qatar, no school and I mean no school is opened and no one is challenging that. Nidin Kaho.
Na bit me boko 2 years. Ejai school to ho. Enya de aban shed da se wo montene fiem ba ye beto aso afi bebia mu jaye no. Enso osan kokotoa ni school so ekọ kokotwa.
Okay.
Bobra.
Captain, please tell the man that even school feeding cry, the kids don't wash their hands. Anyway.
Na mayen to aso ha. Daily graphic mu na me wo. Na kratafe otoso dunsia na eye ma ene nkwada ho nsem no. Graphic bone ban ne eye moyi ya akọ 24. Bone ban pa ne eye baby agidin ama ho no obi akọ na okọ ho. Moyi ye betwe we nkwa de ho court cry ye bekọ ye mpesa. Won san family 13 hwa ne ye pe.
Na say yin free paper ni.
E bi kura 13 no obi anim. So obi kọ ho na okọ akọkan asem foforo. We say yes enye fine. Mo amoy amane enso sesia na me biebie mo amkoko pie ho amko hu ye ntwe mamo mo san ye famra 13 graphic me ne mo nkomunie ECG ese yese enwomo a udru wo mo abobo ano a wo mo bo wo bete e wo ho ye wo atua ya aka ni na mayan na du bidi nisika eti woni eni apotwe bio watia ya kanyi na mayen yisiji se eka na aban de wo mo dada
minister na eka ho
minister na eka de ese wo mo chia ni nyina yisiji mayi mu ho ano sanya sana na wotwe bi achi mo de asam foforo ba ene nka ajabetom aban se watua ka ni nyina e de amamo entese woni mu ni apotwe bia bio na meje na ho ahwan we eye John Peter Amewu JPA Minister of Energy and enra obo Ghana for amane say ye nika bia bio
pacho enye ka ECG de ntina o maka say PDS mra na say na yebetumi atua
yetumi atua first next can you see Ghana ba
then high adria
see etisika so come na na edi yen say IMF aba abeboa ye
no debi ako debi o debi eti ye kofa PDS ebeje den
and say PDS mu asam de kokko wie ye ohu ye na wo se nkrofo bi nya position no omunya bidi
ye kofa beje den
enti na ye ka port asam na wo se ani bre no
ena ECG ka ye se ye tuawie mate bi da o
ai
in fact metibi wo je ku 4 times ye clear ECG debt say na ye clear energy minister na be kan that time
but na no ne kan ye
Professor Mercer time meti say ya clear ECG debt my date number na nko ye matibi pain
na ECG ano mo ye de no mo so mo mekasa
ye be yiwadi
eno nko enti
wo pa jiji wano so ye ECG worker pa cafe
ade
ye be yiwadi
we ye funny face
ye be yiwadi
enie ye rapid ajana me wu say wo mo tia ka ni nyina ti se munim na meka ne abo na ni pre me ne mo de MPs ene wo mo undergo COVID-19
so mama na chache ne bi person o kan komo no bi me nua me pese me board wote me nka ma che
yeah
oba pa bo me nkomo ne enko
we dey good morning me che wetie fo yin
obi ajo so
kese menti asama private teacher no o kanasi kom kakra edu omunenti yamba yempia yamba nko
ekwamu de anya kakra o ba me
ya ina comedy yen because akutwa no kura yetifie na nso ya yetifie no kwa mo kire yen yetifie no yen na ya ni yamba neti enye easy na nso hwese ne yare ya neti ya me peni mu ne me kokom ba ko ba se ne me pu bra se me no me ho na wujja akwala ebi eba from 1 year 2 years e ko school mu na so private school ne eni omko facilities no kwa edu ahe o se chinchina ya yembio school mo facilities popompo me ne teaching me class ye 120 me come chiro yesema ye nkasa ebi etena window no ne ochire ebi tena desk ba ko ni pa 6 etu ebi tena fu na wo se yenkwen ko chichiye mu yate ye be ko no panevia ni 60 ne be ko anopa nti 60 ne be there social distance and I can 1 hour he doesn't know what he's talking about na yewia ya den nkwala wo teacher ni kwa na ya bepro si no smart ni kwa na di bedi agro yetu we die me too dio no modena even pono ya be put in ya washing house because you need baby a dun so in you need baby a dun so nti we kuto ha na ya dun so we kuto me say when we enter into public school the government is doing well but we say ya toso nti bia some no pese ko yinkunku ye mana na say yenye den ye tinefie atisa adeni bed tie down and yes be taking the whole year kura ye betena ho ya twen ne owu anya mienu anase ne nse ne di bia totototo ena na me fra me so suggest mpamu chew na mukasa ni pate ne so mighty adeni ye serious pa me ye fa ye nkwala no koye front liners na tax no mu ndibi me pamu chew ye teacher funu podie ye betunya ye ho ye penimpo ye dan sen ye be ye kakra na nkwala no ntom ye mu hihye omo ekommunity me tia no pa me ra ho pomentumi nya me woni devotion aden mu mo fa no mo bo mo penifo mo kasa bi na ye ntena se na globally no as you said no ya tutu nsada na ye de mpushi yamba no kom we dem fraya me de besi ha ye sa me kasa bebiri me da masi I'm a parent and a teacher too.
That's that's
That's
say sports free and can be phone line. Me mom dey be school am bank school.
Enya nkwa na be di sa line so.
Me
be line so ye be
dey be home kwaje.
Obi tenafie yare atimi bo obi ma ne tenafie 2 years ansa na wakwakoto school so enso okokotwa e de nkwa na yare aba menka me ba ti koma ne nko ensa no bu ho no mu a oha ne ka na adintia enne secondary school sa gidin e wo ma we mu abo mu di o mu so me grade A enkwala no wa 3 ye bie school 3 days unko school no kwa woda form yesi ama nkwada sardine kwala 9 ene wo table ho ye mo sardine 1 milk ye mo 1 enya me koso school mu ho no ne ni nyina ena yetimi de ba abonten so ahokire wo ho no dada no kra ye nka ho asem onwie yare aba ye nsan so wo mo nkonkogu ho no mo nkonko ye den ye fa mo mra private school mo ne enimu facility so de city ma hu so school no na me de me ba no ko school na me choose ye no nkwala na de o mo ntena fie nyina parent
mo betimi ya bie me de mu bia me ba na o ma
say ye kasa say PTA members
mo de school de mo betimi ya bie ba me de mu bia me ba na o ma
Tintin am so mama kewi atimre
simple
MPs enne wo mo call COVID-19 testing enti sa na ebie school na teacher ni bia so se be na ko testing student bia so be ko testing sa na ye de o mo akọ na se benya ho sika dia enti ne de aba no na na ya samba ko wom ni se yes parliamentary press call ya wo mo parliament wo no mo nka ho
o mo nka de ho
testing na o mo ye no
ese ya MPs
ya MPs omo ni omo net ho interviews ni bibi omo ni omo cafeteria ha omo ni omo ane ho na so ya MPs no anya ma press call na omo dodo ayesai call na ho no omo dodo ayesai a do omo ka ho e be ha adwen nti kofi ko no ogina nkwantia baby amoko sebi mo jonso ho no omo jonso baby amudidi ho bi o si ya nya bi mamo kwan ben so na fa so ye adwuma
the parliament na ye tuma nye
ye bosia bi wo ho no ma ya na ehun ye
and say yensua de wo internet so a so MP so 275 pe bese ne bana o mo to abana o mo ntimento e wo internet kuro na so say internet na wo kuruma na ye papa te ye mfa nkyira de ya ade na say internet na no MPs need to be use zoom na ye say ye mfa nkyira de no lectures ne mfa zoom ne nkyira de no sa zoom na speaker won't be mfa bi nye your friend say mama parliament entena say e wo zoom no so
omo podi a sheda to laptop such ama omo akwala wo no wote ba bi ti say tuna na wo say onko sua de e wo TV so edura nwumire a wudware ntem na wakote obi mpumachi na wakohwe bi na sa nipa na wia na ye kira de e wo samu e-learning no hefa na wakwakofa TV no de akwakosua de Ghana we day papa na wo twa ne bana so no yesi ya jeli ni 2 years
asa una kontemu
ai nkase ne wo se kono kufa show we waji atum Ghana asem watwa na so akwala ya so nie papa ese matwa yese investigation 3 years wen ko ade kufa hyew court se papa no konkodam efihia mienu enti eno ho asem so graphic de buy nsem bebre ene wo hanom ena isi so yese ne credibility is in crisis na ese gidie ne ahwehemu amanfo wo omumu no ya to ape eno ho asem ni
akoda na ne papa bo no kuma se video no hwe
abu no kuma se
de ne papa bo no kuma se akoda we di Phineas an da be ne video de the bandage
a chechire no ho ne na chi no yayi no ho yayi no na nya afei na ekro nani ada ho e bae na na se etwaye na de junction violet eyi emutimi de video na yenya ya mfama out na chini ye wire tire na free mu no eno mantimi ahwe ni nyina anwie be uhwe current ones na no kreni ni pachimu odin sasa sam no kre bae ansa na de etwa na so yin ba so ye hu bebi eno no na temu nu akwakodru enti ye besese no so moma ne kontem
ye fancy na
what the referee jan video bi na no kan efa electoral commission hono efa machines ya omoto e de ye adwuma me send video na
no foforo
we ye foforo kaka
dabi
sawo ho minim se de American no we hu ade me
foforo me hu na she African way bi as a black and white one say na ogina se podium bi hu
Joy News
Omode
Joy News
omode Joy News ade bi atoso no
enya kokwa na sesi amra e wo me wo se yesan akone kokkohwe ma ye mpre ye ho sa abato nti power bi penti na ye kwa akopre ye ho we obo se abeka kebeka se ye nkwa asori bo nsi ye jeje gumu a na fesi etimi ye we dia enye nkotwiro din ensi wo Ghana ha enye nke nyina bebo ko ogyan mu ensi wo Ghana ha ya to aba yete da dem hwinsi ye enti sa afiwe nkwan ya nto aba constitution no wo ho se bibi wo mu a wo se ya amendment a yenye ne ne ebe ma kwan se de be ya nto aba December 2020 a bibi fufuro bi yansi no mu nyai katasumwe mu aso ase kwan bi aso wo se bibi si no ya nye voters register ne na bibi yansi